Hello, cartoon metaphor user. Yes, today I would like to free a lion. Choose the character that I already created it as your request. This one. I would like to test this one before testing, so please subscribe and ring the bell. To help me because I'm working hard to get this character, and you can use this character in your project also. Okay, now I would like to start and add some scene. Any scene that we would like to use it. Example this one. Okay, delete this then. Okay, this one also. Okay, now testing this lions walking. Go to animate motion, template. Okay, and I use horse or move, start. Okay, you see it's click a little, so I would like to adjust this you see. And I would like to move is to right. Click here and move to right a little bit. And I would like to check the bone also, so I would like to move to the right. Okay, and Control S, save. Okay, little show. Okay, I think it's good now. I would like to walk loop. It's still showing, so go to again to check it. So I would like to drag up little like this. Okay, Control S. Just waiting. Okay, now it's work well now. I open timeline. I click Control to auto hide play bar or F9. You click F9. So I click object related and click transform. Click show open motion. This start working. This one start working. And walk loop to this slide. So it's here track back. Okay, and walk. Here. Okay, start. Okay, and test walking. So I would like to copy a script lion. Sorry, lion. Testing mouse
The
talking.
lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera native to Africa and India. It has a muscular, deep-chested body, short, rounded head, round ears, and a hairy.
Okay. Now I would like to test puppet. I always use this one. Okay, good now. Or record now.
The lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera native to Africa and India. It has a muscular, deep-chested body, short, rounded head, round ears, and a hairy.
Okay, play.
The lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera native to Africa and India. It has a muscular, deep-chested body, short, rounded head, round ears, and a hairy.
Okay, and the final we would like to run camera. Okay, and start the camera. Close this one.
The lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera native to Africa and India. Genus Panthera native to Africa and India. It has a muscular, deep-chested body. Short, rounded head,
Double click and drag. Okay.
ears, and a hairy. The lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera native to Africa and India. It has a muscular, deep-chested body, short, rounded head, round ears, and a hairy.
Okay, thank you guys that you come to visit my video, and you can download this character and you can use in your project also. And I would like to testing another motion that is cat moving. So I would like to test this one again. Okay, just right click to remove. Yeah, motion, everything. Yeah, when play, nothing to happen, but we have still have the camera. So I would like to drag and drop like this cat walking, drag to there and like this. Okay, this cat walking look like that. Okay, and a dog walking, so I would like to use dog. Right click to remove. Yeah, and start walking dog. Okay, and drag. Okay, sorry, this start, that means not loop. Okay, right click to remove and walk to this one. Okay, this dog walk like this. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you love this lion character and you can use inside your project. Yeah, and please subscribe and like. This is work and work hard, so please subscribe. Yeah, and ring the bell also. If you're not yet subscribed, please. Okay, see you next tutorial. Bye bye.